If you're moving from the East Coast to the West Coast, one big question usually comes up. What should you do with your car? Driving thousands of miles isn't always practical, so some people wonder if there's a train that can carry both you and your vehicle across the country. Let's look at how car train transport actually works. A car train is a specialized rail service where vehicles are loaded onto multi-level rail cars called autoracks, while passengers ride in separate train coaches. Your vehicle travels safely inside the train while you relax in passenger cabins during the journey. This type of service can make long trips much easier because it eliminates the need to drive long distances yourself. Here's the important detail. There isn't currently a car train that travels directly from the East Coast to the West Coast. In the United States, the most well-known auto train operates mainly between Virginia and Florida, serving travelers along the East Coast. Because of this limitation, coast-to-coast travelers usually need alternative options for moving their vehicles. Even though passenger car trains are limited, vehicles can still move by rail through freight shipping. In this process, cars are carefully inspected, driven onto rail loading ramps, and placed into large autorack rail cars designed specifically for vehicle transport. These rail cars are stacked with multiple vehicles and secured to prevent movement during the trip. Rail transport can be efficient, but it isn't always the most flexible option. Rail routes are limited, and vehicles may need additional trucking before and after the train journey. Because of that extra coordination, many people choose direct auto transport services instead. For most cross-country moves, the easiest option is professional car shipping using auto transport carriers. These trucks are designed to move multiple vehicles at once and can pick up your car near your home and deliver it close to your final destination. That convenience makes it one of the most common solutions for coast-to-coast vehicle transport.